Free tools are amazing when you're starting your online business on a budget, but here is the truth. If you use them the wrong way, they can cost you more time than they save. Let's go through the 3 biggest mistakes most beginners make and what you can do instead. Hey there, I'm Techie Isabel, Isabel's AI avatar, founder of Your Techie Isabel and your micro budget business mentor. A lot of people say you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a home-based online business, but that's just not true. I built my own home business for under $100 a year using free and affordable tools that most people haven't even heard of. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the exact steps to set up your systems so you can sell your own digital products or services on a micro budget, even if you're starting from zero. One of the biggest mistakes I see is choosing free tools that don't really work together. Free is great, but if the tool doesn't support your growth, you'll waste a lot of time trying to make it fit. That's why I always recommend sticking with a platform like System.io. Even on the free plan, it gives you everything you need to get started in one place. The trick is not to collect every tool you see, but to pick the one that actually moves your business forward. Another mistake is rushing through the setup. I know it's exciting to jump straight in, but skipping those little steps in the beginning will slow you down later. For example, not setting up your account properly can cause problems with things like emails reaching your audience. Taking just a few extra minutes to do the setup the right way will save you hours of fixing mistakes later on. And finally, the third mistake is ignoring automation. Free tools often include simple automations that can make a huge difference. Things like sending a welcome email automatically or moving someone into a sequence when they sign up. If you don't set these up, you'll end up doing everything by hand, and that eats up your time. Even on the free plan, using automation helps your business run smoothly in the background so you can focus on creating and connecting. If you want a behind-the-scenes peek at how I personally run my business without paying for fancy tools, grab my free guide called How I Run My Business Using Free and Affordable Tools. I share the exact platforms I use every day to run my business on a micro budget. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to fast track your setup, my full step-by-step course Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget is also linked below. Let's get started without breaking your budget. See you in the next one.